Namaste, welcome to my YouTube channel Pranav Watch Gallery. Please subscribe, like, and comment. How-to time calendar, stopwatch, alarm, timer, settings. Please watch the full video. Hold 5 seconds. Shift to country. Set the currently country name. Press button 2 times. Shift to hours. 12/24 format. Please subscribe. Set the currently hours December 24th format. Shift to seconds. Reset seconds. Shift to hours. Set the currently hours. Shift to minutes. Set the currently minutes. Please subscribe. Shift to year. Set the currently year. Shift to month. Set the currently month. Shift to date. Set the currently date. Press button 4 times. Please subscribe. Press button 1 time. Shift to normal mode. Press button 1 time. Shift to COUNTRYS time. Press the button. Check the COUNTRYS time. Press button 1 time. Shift to alarm settings. Please subscribe. Press the button check the multiple options for alarm. Alarm 1. Press the button, choose the alarm on/off. Hold 5 seconds. Shift to alarm hours. Set the alarm hours when you want. Shift to alarm minutes. Please subscribe. Set the alarm minutes when you want. Press button one time. Press button one time. Alarm 2. Hold 5 seconds. Shift to alarm. Hours. Set the alarm hours when you want. Shift to alarm minutes. Set the alarm minutes when you want. Please subscribe. Press button one time. Press button one time. Alarm 3. Set the alarm on. Hold 5 seconds. Shift to alarm. Hours. Set the alarm hours when you want. Shift to alarm minutes. Set the alarm minutes when you want. Please subscribe. Press button one time. Press button one time. Alarm 4. Set the alarm on. Hold 5 seconds. Shift to alarm. Hours. Set the alarm hours when you want. Shift to alarm minutes. Set the alarm minutes when you want. Please subscribe. Press button one time. Press button one time. Set the snooze on. Press button one time. Set the SIG on. Press button one time. Press button one time. Shift to stopwatch. Press button one time. Will be start/stop to stopwatch. Please subscribe. Stopwatch will be reset. Press button one time. Will be start to stopwatch. Press button one time. Will be stop to stopwatch. Stopwatch will be reset. Please subscribe. Press button one time. Shift to timer. Press button one time. Will be stop/start. The timer watch. Timer watch will be reset. Hold 5 seconds. Shift to timer. Hours. Set the timer, hours, when you want. Please subscribe. Shift to timer, minutes. Set the timer, minutes, when you want. Press button one time. Press button one time. Will be stop. The timer watch. Please subscribe. Press button one time. Will be normal mode. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe.